Marco Melandri collected 2 World Superbike Championship wins in one day at the Circuito de Giras to deny the title hopeful Sylvain Gintley more valuable points. In both races the Aprilia rider steadily worked his way to the front of the packs before overtaking his teammate Gintley and forcing the championship leader, Tom Sykes, Kawasaki, into third place in the process. The outcome in southern Spain means there are 31 points between Sykes and Gintley with 4 races remaining. In the second race, Melandri initially ran 5th behind Kawasaki's Loris Baz, starting from pole position, while Gintley came up the inside at the start of lap 3 to leave his rivals behind. Sykes was struggling to keep up with the Frenchman and watched helplessly as Italy's Melandri moved past him and into second place on lap 11. Melandri had passed his teammate with 4 laps remaining in race 1 and this time around he overtook Gintley with 5 laps remaining and never looked back.